What's up? This is a new video I am creating. I'm kind of excited about it too. I'll be explaining the 3 Newton laws. This is a great video. It teaches you a lot of things about the earth, gravity, and a whole bunch of other things that involves you to get smarter and overall just know a lot more things. So this is about science / physics, whatever you want to call it. But physics is just basically logic. It teaches you like basically just what you need to know, because if you didn't know it, you wouldn't know how things worked. So I'm gonna start you off with the first Newton law, which is whatever is in motion stays in motion unless stopped by an outside force, and whatever is stopped will stay stopped unless acted upon by an outside force. So what that basically means, as you can see, this football right here, it is being thrown to that tree, and gravity, friction, and the tree, all 3 of those act upon it just to stop it. So first, gravity is slowing it down to the floor, and it hits the floor, and then after it hits the floor, it hits the tree. But the very first thing that happens is gravity is taking upon it and letting it go down to the floor. Then the floor acts upon it and bounces right back up and hits the tree, and the tree does the final stop. Next, I will be teaching y'all about the second Newton law. The second Newton law, it allows for people, okay, it's like kind of math. It's all math actually. So it's a force equals mass times acceleration, which basically means you need a certain amount of mass and acceleration to give you a good amount of force. So what that means is I had to throw this ball with a certain amount of mass, which was the mass was the ball, and then the acceleration was my arm throwing it, which was the force and the acceleration right there. And then that gives me that, which would be the second law. Next will be the third law. The third law is whatever reaction there is, there always be the opposite one. So let's say you get in a fight, you hit somebody, the person will feel you hit their face, and then you'll feel it on your hand, same amount of force. So there's no real way that you won't feel pain. But the way I explain it with this football is when it hits the tree, it bounces up. So when it hits the ground, it bounces up and then hits the tree and then bounces off the tree. So the ball hit the tree and the tree hit the ball. The ball hit the floor and then the floor hit the ball. So that's basically what the third Newton law is. And there's a lot more to physics. Thank y'all for this video I got to make, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you for everything, and y'all have a nice day. Appreciate it.